Hello, I'm Nevaeh Prater, an undergraduate in environmental and plant biology at Ohio University, and today I'm going to be presenting on floral reduction in the mustard family Brassicaceae, more specifically Lepidium. Brassicaceae are different than most angiosperm families, which are the flowering families such as Loaceae and Ranunculaceae. They tend to exhibit very little variation in their flowers. Most of the flowers in the Brassicaceae family have 4 petals, as seen in this top figure, and 6 stamen, 4 on the inside and 2 on the outside, as seen in the middle figure, with most of the floral variation being in the genus Lepidium. You can see this in the bottom figure with Lepidium ruderal, as there are no petals and only 2 stamen. By noticing the loss of stamen and petals in a single genus of a homogeneous family, it brings us to wonder how the flowers in Lepidium have evolved. Is there a trend of floral reduction? Is there a trend of 6 stamen to 4 stamen to 2 stamen, or is it a direct jump from 6 stamen to 2 stamen? How have flowers evolved across evolutionary history? Is it a rapid change that we're seeing, or is it very gradual? Does stamen reduction occur with petal reduction? Are we seeing stamen being lost at the same time as petals? In order to answer these questions, we've reconstructed phylogeny with maximum likelihood analysis of TRNL and Tron for 55 species of Lepidium. In order to get this figure, we've taken the ancestral character estimation and optimized it with the maximum likelihood and parsimony. In this slide, we see the phylogeny that we have reconstructed, with the number of stamen being on the left side and petal presence or absence on the right side. Now you can see in the stamen phylogeny that there is a clade of 4 stamen and a clade of 2 stamen that have split over time. And in the petal presence or absence, we see that we start with petals in the phylogeny, and over time there are various species which have lost the petals. And we can also see in both phylogenies that there is a very rapid evolutionary trend. By seeing the two phylogenies side by side, we see that stamen reduction always occurs before the petal reduction does. We also see that in Lepidium floral evolution occurs through the reduction of floral structures. So we always start with the stamen and then proceed to the petals, but this doesn't happen in every clade. We also see that there are multiple independent losses of the stamen and the petals. We also see that throughout time there has been regaining of stamen, where the species either regain 2 or 4 stamen to gain the full 6 back. I want to give my acknowledgments to the Shank Lab and the OU Expo for this opportunity. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed.